YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have some quick fixes for you on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. In today's video, I actually want to show you guys how to take off the front wheels of the cleaner and how to get access to them and kind of show you guys what's behind them and what to expect once you take them off. So before you start, the only tool that you guys will need will actually be just a larger size flathead screwdriver. The bigger the head on the flathead screwdriver, the better. It helps grab the wheel screws, which I'll get into here in a minute for you guys. So let's dive in and flip the cleaner up here on its side. So as you guys can see, it's got these hubcaps that'll actually cover the wheel screw. The back wheels will not have the hubcap, so it's only meant for the front wheels. So you're gonna go ahead and just take your flathead screwdriver, go ahead and kind of try to pry underneath these little niches that they give you on the hubcap without breaking it. Obviously you're dealing with plastic, so you want to be gentle. So just kind of work it. Eventually you'll get one part to lift up and you'll pull the whole hubcap out here. You guys can see it's got little ridges on it that actually help it lock into the actual wheel hub for the cleaner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that one off to the side. And then now you actually have access to the internal wheel screw. So typically everything with these cleaners besides the screws is made of plastic. So the wheel screws are made of plastic. So to make sure that you guys don't actually strip out the internal parts of this wheel screw, that is why I want you guys to grab the bigger flathead. If you guys use something similar to just like a small travel size flathead, you're not going to be able to get this off efficiently without actually stripping the internal here. So just go ahead and spin off the wheel screw. They're not very long, so they don't take very long to get off, but depending on how long they've been in your pool, they can get some grime and dirt set up inside these ridges, which just makes them more difficult to come out. There is also a washer included with these wheel screws. Just helps reduce the friction between the plastic of the screw and the actual plastic of the wheel hub itself. So here's your plastic washer. So those two come together. So if you guys actually purchase those, you guys can check those out in the links below. One major thing with the tire here, you guys can see, is it also has the bearings set in here. So we'll actually be doing another video on how to take those off, replace them, which directions they need to go, make it easier for you guys to understand that when you get them, they do require to go in a certain place. So once you guys get this wheel off, all you're gonna do is just flip the cleaner over and go ahead and start to remove the other one. On the other side of this cleaner, we lost a hubcap already, so no need to try to get the hubcap off. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the wheel screw out. Bear with me. Again, much easier with the bigger head on a flathead screwdriver just because it grabs everything really easily. So go ahead, remove the other front wheel. And as you guys can see, in conjunction with the other front wheel, you do actually have your roller brush attachment here. So this is important to make sure that when you do put the wheel back on, that the internal threads on this wheel actually line up with this gear, so that when the cleaner is back in the pool and functioning, that this gear will grab the teeth on the tire to make sure everything works for you. So if you guys are just replacing the wheel hubs, if you guys just needed to replace a wheel screw, this is what you're going to do in order to get the wheels off. Make sure you guys check out all of our other videos. We're going to show you guys how to deal with the bearings, how to deal with the tires, and not to mention diving in and completely tearing this apart. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. As I say, we got plenty of videos coming your way. Appreciate you watching. Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.